Do you have stubborn cough that did not want to go away? Don't worry, Home of Natural Tips got you covered. So let's get right into the full video. Before you rush to the pharmacy, try this my simple natural remedy, honey and ginger. I got you covered, okay? Run nowhere. Do you know that ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties? It helps smooth the throat and fight off bacteria. And honey, on the other hand, clear the throat and give you quick relief from irritation. How are you going to prepare this delicious or your malicious tea? Stay tuned. Get your ginger, slice a small pieces of fresh ginger, boil it in a water like you cook it on fire for 5 to 7 minutes, and then add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Make sure your honey is original. After you add it into your boiled ginger, stir it very well, then make sure you drink it when it's warm. Do this twice a day, that is morning and night, and you are going to get a fast and quick recovery. This my remedy, it is simple, it is natural, affordable and effective. Let your body heal the simple way. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural tips from Home of Natural Tips. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.